Illuminate your outdoor spaces with sustainable brightness and style. The best solar-powered spotlights combine energy efficiency with powerful illumination, enhancing landscapes, gardens, and pathways. Experience reliable performance, automatic operation, and weather-resistant design that keeps your surroundings beautifully lit every night without increasing electricity costs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. WELALO Solar Spotlight. The WELALO Solar Spotlight stands out with its impressive 65 ultra-bright LEDs, delivering 30% more brightness than standard garden lights, making it perfect for illuminating driveways, pathways, or highlighting outdoor features like trees and sculptures. Its 3 distinct lighting modes, low, medium, and strong, offer flexibility to match any scenario, from gentle ambient light for evening strolls to powerful illumination for security purposes. Designed with durability in mind, these lights boast IP68 waterproofing and high-strength ABS material, ensuring they withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees. Fast solar charging ensures consistent nighttime performance, even during cloudy days, while offering an eco-friendly lighting solution that reduces electricity costs. Whether you're a homeowner seeking security or a gardening enthusiast aiming to enhance your landscape, the WELALO Solar Spotlight provides reliable, long-lasting illumination that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Its user-friendly setup and robust weather-resistant design make it a versatile and dependable addition to any outdoor space, keeping your surroundings safe, bright, and inviting all year round. Number 2. Tadyreal Solar Spotlight. The Tadyreal Solar Spotlight is engineered for powerful illumination with 46 high-intensity LEDs, producing up to 800 lumens to brighten gardens, patios, and pathways. Its reflective design ensures focused lighting while minimizing energy loss, creating a dramatic effect for trees, plants, or outdoor decor. These solar lights automatically charge during day and turn on at night, offering convenience and energy efficiency with no electricity costs. High-efficiency polycrystalline solar panels and a large-capacity rechargeable battery maximize energy conversion and minimize charging time, ensuring reliable performance even in less sunny conditions. Installation is simple and versatile, featuring a 2-in-1 design that supports ground staking or wall mounting with included screws, making it ideal for patios, driveways, pathways, or gardens. Its durable, weather-resistant construction allows it to perform well year-round, regardless of rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Tadyreal solar spotlights are perfect for anyone looking to enhance outdoor safety, highlight landscaping features, or create a captivating nighttime environment. With minimal maintenance and flexible setup options, they combine practicality with style, transforming any yard or outdoor space into a well-lit and welcoming area. Number 3. APOMAO Solar Spotlight. The APOMAO Solar Spotlight is a high-performance outdoor lighting solution featuring 36 high-lumen LEDs that produce up to 1,000 lumens of focused brightness. Designed for versatility, it is ideal for illuminating pathways, driveways, patios, and garden features like trees, statues, or flagpoles. Equipped with an oversized 1.5W monocrystalline solar panel, these lights charge 25% faster than standard models, providing extended dusk-to-dawn illumination. 2 lighting modes, low for ambient soft lighting and high for bright focused illumination, offer options to enhance safety or create an inviting outdoor atmosphere. Smart sensors automatically turn the lights on at dusk and off at dawn, providing effortless operation while conserving energy. The APOMAO Solar Spotlight is built to endure harsh weather conditions with IP67 waterproofing and a durable ABS casing that withstands rain, snow, frost, and heat.
Perfect for homeowners seeking a reliable, eco-friendly lighting solution, these solar lights combine energy efficiency, high brightness, and long-lasting durability. Whether for security, aesthetics, or nighttime gatherings, APOMAO lights deliver dependable performance and illuminate outdoor spaces beautifully, making your yard safe, vibrant, and visually appealing.
Number 4. LANSOW Solar Spotlight. The LANSOW Solar Spotlight is designed for superior outdoor illumination, featuring 76 high-brightness LEDs that generate up to 700 lumens of crisp white light. Its reflective structure enhances brightness while minimizing light loss, providing wide-angle coverage for gardens, patios, driveways, or pathways. The solar panel is vertically rotatable by 90 degrees, ensuring optimal sun exposure for faster charging and consistent illumination. A rechargeable battery combined with a high-efficiency solar panel delivers reliable performance throughout the night, even during cloudy days. Installation is quick and flexible with 2 options. Insert the stake into the ground or mount the light on walls using screws, making it ideal for varied outdoor settings. LANSOW lights are perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone seeking dependable, eco-friendly lighting solutions. With energy-efficient solar charging, robust construction, and versatile brightness modes, these lights not only enhance nighttime visibility and security, but also add aesthetic appeal to outdoor spaces. Durable, weather-resistant, and easy to install, the LANSOW Solar Spotlight is a practical and stylish addition for year-round outdoor illumination.
Number 5. MOFOYEAH Solar Spotlight. The MOFOYEAH Solar Spotlight brings a vibrant and dynamic approach to outdoor lighting with 9 phantom color options and 4 lighting modes, including constant, breathing gradient, color hopping, and white light. Its super bright LEDs cover up to 30 square meters, making it 3 times brighter than ordinary solar lights, while adjustable white, warm white, and multicolor options allow for personalized lighting experiences. The IP68 waterproof rating, combined with ABS/PC housing, allows it to withstand extreme temperatures from -20 degrees C to 60 degrees C, heavy rain, snow, and humidity, while maintaining 95% light output. Installation is effortless with a 2-in-1 design. Stake into the ground or mount on walls using screws, taking just 10 seconds without tools. Ideal for garden, patio, driveway, or decorative landscape lighting, MOFOYEAH solar spotlights combine vivid color displays, high brightness, and weather-resistant durability. These versatile lights enhance nighttime ambiance, provide security, and offer a visually stunning, customizable illumination solution for any outdoor setting. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.